Good evening, I am Ethan James T. Salinas of Grade 10 Pascal from Pasay City National Science High School, here to present to you my speech about the true meaning of freedom. First of all, what is freedom? Freedom is often mistaken as simply doing whatever one pleases, but true freedom goes much deeper. It is the ability to live with dignity, make choices without fear, and express oneself while respecting others. It is not chaos or unlimited liberty, but a balanced condition where rights are protected and responsibilities are upheld. Freedom allows people to pursue their dreams, voice their opinions, and live according to their values. But it must coexist with laws, social order, to ensure that one person's freedom doesn't harm another's. True freedom also involves the opportunity to access education, earn a livelihood, and live without oppression. A society where people are trapped by poverty, discrimination, or violence cannot claim to be truly free. Real freedom means empowering everyone, regardless of background, to have equal rights and opportunities. It's about creating a world where no one is silenced or held back by unfair systems, and where justice prevails. But freedom is not given once and for all. It must be protected and nurtured. History shows us that people have fought, struggled, and even sacrificed their lives to secure the liberties we enjoy today. This reminds us that freedom is precious and fragile. If we take it for granted or misuse it, it can easily be lost. That is why each generation has the responsibility to defend freedom and keep it alive for the next. Moreover, freedom thrives only when paired with respect and unity. In a diverse society, our differences should not divide us, but instead strengthen our understanding of one another. True freedom allows us to live side by side with different beliefs, traditions, and voices without fear or hatred. When we learn to listen, cooperate, and value each other's humanity, we create a society where everyone's freedom is protected. Finally, freedom comes with responsibility, and it requires individuals to respect others, uphold justice, and contribute to the greater good. Misusing freedom to spread hate, break rules, or cause harm weakens the very foundation of a free society. When we use our freedom wisely by being kind, informed, and active citizens, we protect not just our own liberty but also that of others. In this way, true freedom is not just a personal right but a shared duty.